So we've successfully inserted the canvas and resized it. The next job that we need to do is we need to create the sketch that both the top and bottom piece will both be made from. So let's have a look at what that sketch looks like. Here we have a very rough outline of the zip, as well as an outline for the hole that runs through the middle, as well as two square boxes that go around the outside. So we need to make more or less the same thing. The first job, get rid of this line here. Just click on it and press delete. And next, we're going to want to start by making the circle in the middle of the zip. Now, there's no easy way to find the middle, but the best bet is to just draw it roughly. Drag this out. And as I said before, I know that this hole is 8.5, but I don't want to make it fit exactly. I want this to be smaller. So I'm actually going to make this 7.5 mil. With that drawn, I can then click on this circle in the middle and I can drag this and try and get it as close by eye as being in the middle of that circle. And as long as we've got it pretty close, it should be good enough. Remembering that we're talking about this being 1 millimeter here. So a slight movement up or down is 1/10 of a millimeter, which is very, very small. Next, I'm going to use the line tool. I'm going to move out this way and I'm going to go 9 millimeters. I'm then going to use the rectangle tool and I'm going to draw a rectangle down here. Now I could just click randomly and try and get this as close as I can, but I like putting in specific dimensions. Now remember, we don't want this right on the edge of the zip, we want a bit of room. So I'm going to go for 8.5 millimeters here, and I'm going to go for 17 millimeters here. I'm going to repeat that, but underneath. So I'm going to click on this point here again, drag down, 6.5 millimeters, press the tab key, and then type in 17. I'm now going to get rid of these lines running through the middle because I no longer need these. And I've got a square box with my circle in the middle. Next, I'm going to use the offset tool, which is up here. Click on the outside of this, and I'm going to offset this by 2 mil. Press return. I'm then going to offset it again and use the same one. Now, you might want to press on this one, but it won't let you offset and offset. So I have to find the original. So I've got to go back to the original and this time go 4 mil and press enter. Next, I'm going to extend this line here with the line tool to cross over both of these and click and snap onto there. And then again from here and across to there. Now you notice in my drawing I don't have this line here. So at this point I can simply click on that line and press the delete button and get rid of it as I don't need it anymore. You'll also notice that on my drawing I've got a semicircle here. In order to insert the same semicircle, I'm going to use the circle tool. I'm going to go from my center point and I'm going to go to the edge of my line here. Then I'm going to use the trim tool to just trim off this bit, this bit, this bit, and this bit. And I press the T button on the keyboard to use the trim tool, or I select this tool here. You can also see it's just there. Now we've got pretty much the same as what I've got in my original video. I'll see you in the next video.